Hello, everybody. Welcome to this episode of Learn to Cake on learntocake.com, where we are dreaming of the Mediterranean because it's cold here in Canada, guys. So we did this lemon cake. So it's a lot of different techniques used on this cake, a lot of wafer paper. Wafer paper has been on trend for a while and still is. Everyone keeps finding new ways of using it. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to create and emboss your fondant to appear like lemon skin or citrus skin. You can do a lime cake, an orange cake, whatever your little heart desires. We also did a decoupage technique where it's kind of gives the effect of hand painting. I'm not the best painter in the world, I will admit it, but doing this decoupage style wafer paper treatment will take all of that fear away. It's super easy and very effective, super graphic, as you can see. We will also be learning how to do tree bark using wafer paper and fondant, and making some three-dimensional little lemons and wafer paper leaves. Lots to learn, and I hope to see you there. And we will let's get started.